Everyone. Children are now being afflicted with a piece of our world known as technology. Every aspect of it, every part of it feels a vital role within each and every one of their lives. But a question comes to every one of our minds. It says, does digital technology make children's lives better? My name is Andrew, and I'll tell you that the answer is no. Of course, we know that technology is made up of many things. This can go from the internet and, of course, many other factors. But it has its upsides. This can be seen from children having the ability to learn more, children having the ability to have ease of communication, and of course, children having access to things which some time ago were hard to come by. But this doesn't come without its downsides. This can range from physical issues such as RSI, carpal tunnel, and maybe even cataract. And this can also go to mental issues such as ill-mannered, aggressive, and often childish behavior. As a victim of one of its downsides, I can say that its downsides heavily overshadow its upsides. How do I know? Here's an example. Children nowadays are subjected to mild amounts of childish content, and this can lead them to talk some very childish things. For example, during lessons, they can scream "skibidi toilet" or even during important family matters. In conclusion, does digital technology make children's lives better? No, it doesn't. In fact, its upsides heavily are overshadowed by its downsides. And although its downsides may be avoided using proper measures, it still isn't fit to be used by children. Thank you very much.